Hi, my name's Natasha Nakati and I run a family business with my husband called Crafty Arts. It's what it says on the tin. We sell art materials and we sell craft materials, and the most important thing about us is that we're actually a family business. We've been trading for over 28 years now. So we're currently in the shop, and this is kind of a little sample of all the products that we sell. We also have a training room called the Creative Hub, where we run training classes and workshops for people of all ages. We run birthday parties in there as well, so they're craft birthday parties. We run art classes for adults and for children, as well as homeschool classes as well that we do in the day, and after school art classes. The majority of our business is actually e-commerce, so we sell through Amazon, we sell through eBay, and we also sell on our own websites. We sell over 10,000 products, and it varies from art materials, craft materials. We also sell garden products. The warehouse staff, they actually pick and pack and distribute their item to the customer, and of course inside every parcel we put a sweet. We're a family business and we like to give a personal touch. So if you've got a query in regards to your art, craft, or even your toy products, give us a call or speak to us on live chat. We'll be happy to answer any questions or help you pick the right product for you, whether it's for you or whether it's a gift for a family or a friend. In our mind, everyone is creative. Whether you think it or not, you are creative in some shape or form. On our blog, it's there to inspire you to pick up a new craft, to pick up a new hobby. So that's becreativedaily.co.uk. On our website, we have a free delivery service where you spend over £30 and you get free delivery. We like to implement this because nobody likes to pay for delivery. We would love you to sign up to our newsletter on craftyarts.co.uk. We have one deal a week that we offer, generally that comes through on a Tuesday, but most importantly we have an inspirational Sunday email. Now this is just to inspire you to be creative in whichever shape or form you desire, because we believe that everybody is creative in their own right. If there's a product that you're looking for and you may think that we don't sell it, the likelihood is we probably do sell it. So feel free to go onto our website www.craftyarts.co.uk and have a browse around and see what you find.